Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DENT. In today's video, we will take a look at this bounce, and after getting bounced from this support, DENT token is about to re-enter the same channel that was previously broken down. And we will also take a look at this key resistance that DENT token has just broken out and also broke this descending triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this recent analysis that I shared with my members at the Patreon. In fact, it was a complete trade setup with the buying and sell targets and the stop loss strategy. And this was the completion of a harmonic bullish reversal butterfly move that DENT token formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And I told my members that from here we can expect a pump. And this was, by the way, with the Bitcoin pair. And now after playing this chart, we can see that DENT token has pumped very well, and it is more than 27% pump against the Bitcoin. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here DENT token was moving inside this down channel, and I have been showing you this down channel, in fact, in my previous videos on DENT token a few months ago. And here on 9th of May, DENT token broke down the support of the down channel on this weekly time frame, and here we have the key support at $0.000820. And while moving here at this key support, DENT token also formed this bullish reversal setup on the 4-hour time frame chart, and after getting reversed from here, you can see it is also bounced from this support of $0.000820. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we had the key support and key resistance. The key support was here at 820 that we have just discussed a few moments ago, and this is the key resistance that we have, $0.0010, and you can see that we have several bounces from here, and we have a rejection here, and recently here on 9th of July we went very close to this resistance, but we again moved down, and after getting bounced, we formed, in fact, a 1, 2, and 3. We have formed triple bottom here, and we have just broken out this resistance after you can see we broke it down here on 12th of June. And after 12th of June, this is for the first time that we have just broken out this key resistance. And from here, we can expect a long-term move now by DENT. But before starting the long-term move, first we need another confirmation, and that is breaking out this down trend line resistance that is the support. In fact, it was working as a support of this down channel, and now it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. And you can see that we are very close to enter or test this resistance. Now, if we take a look at the more smaller time frame chart here on the hourly time frame chart, that recently DENT has broken out this resistance of the descending triangle, and after breaking out, we had a pump. And let me just show you the target for this descending triangle that we were expecting. Our target for this triangle was, by the way, here, approximately at 1125, and we have rallied up to 1132. That is beyond this target. And now we are having some correction. Now, after breaking out this triangle, we have also broken out this very, very strong and key resistance of $0.0010. And now the next resistance that we need to watch out is this down trend line resistance. Once DENT will be able to break it out, then imminently it can move up to the resistance of this channel that will be approximately at $0.0022. And after breaking out this channel, we can expect a target here at the top of the channel that will be very close to 1 cent. Approximately at $0.0083. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.